Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make almond milk for a week. So you don't really need much. You can do the same process with any or most nuts like almonds or cashews. I get the raw versions. So what you're going to do is about half a cup of almonds, and I don't really measure it, but for this video I'll measure, or about a cup of almonds. And you basically soak it in water overnight. I normally do this in a bowl jar, so this is an example of a cup of almonds that I've soaked overnight. So I'm going to set this aside, and that's what I'm going to use for my next batch. And I'm going to show you how I make the almond mix. All you got to do is drain the almond. Give it a quick rinse. Use filtered water. I pop it into my blender, which is my Vitamix. Okay. So I then add about 2 cups of water. And I just use the lines on the Vitamix. They're measuring, I guess, measuring marks. So, you know, it's not really a science. I say 2 cups, but then I'll make it 3 because I don't like it when it's too thick. I'm gonna pop on the cover. All right. That's about it. And then you've got almond milk. Some people choose to strain the almonds or peel the almonds, but I really like things simple, and I don't mind like the little nutty, I guess, residue. But yeah, this is how I do my almond milk. I'll show you the texture of the milk. You still kind of get a little bit of the residue, but it really doesn't bother me. And I might just give it another go at the Vitamix. Actually, I don't need to anymore. So then you have the choice to sweeten it. I either use honey, cocoa nectar, or cocoa sugar. I prefer cocoa nectar or cocoa sugar because honestly sometimes I don't know the qualities of honey. I think a lot of them are not pure anymore, so make sure you always have a good source. But cocoa nectar has a ton of great benefits, like it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, I guess. It's got a lot of healing properties. I'm gonna sweeten it. Sorry, I'm gonna sweeten the almond milk today with cocoa sugar. I'm gonna add maybe a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And oops, this almond milk, this batch will last me a whole week. What I normally do is I have like a almond milk smoothie in the morning, and that tides me for quite a while in the morning. And you can add, you know, bananas to them, anything really to bulk it up. But it's for someone that's on the go, you want to get in and out with limited washing in the morning. This is kind of like my saving grace. Oh, I forgot it was set high. guess 3.5 to 4 cups. And how do you think this lasts me a whole week? I actually still dilute it, so it has more of like a smooth finish rather than a chunky finish. So there you go, almond milk at home. And this cost me about 150 pesos to make. So that's like $3 versus if you buy it at the store, you can spend up to like maybe 2 to 3 times more.